The factual verb, 7 forms. The factual verb in Quechua has 7 forms. These are known as simple present in other languages. We have to comprehend that they are not just simple, but perfect as well. I've decided to call them the factual forms as they serve to bring up the accomplishing of an action. This is the time an action becomes a fact. In it, we see the Greek aorist or the Russian perfective. Therefore, we'll have to come up with 2 translations, depending on context. For instance, if someone said "Chayamuni," by default it would equal English "I have arrived." This is "I am here," thus aorist, thus perfective. If the person said "Sapa chisi kei kamaya chayamuni," we'd have to resort to a simple present. Every evening we arrive only up to this point. I'll take 3 monosyllabic verbs to illustrate this lesson. Re, to go, ni, to say, and kai, to be and to exist. The desinence ni is attached to the root form of any verb. Reni, I go, or I've gone. Nini, I say, or I've said. Kani, I am, or I've been. Hato wase mangreni, I go to the supermarket. Imatapas haikatapas nini, I say whatever I want to, and as much as I want to. Coscorona kani, I am from Cusco. The desinence inke attached to the root form. Renke, you go, you've gone. Ninke, you say, you've said. Kanke, you are, you've been. Yachay waseta renke, you go to school. Manimatapas ninke, you have said nothing. Yachacheh masese kanke, I heard you are a teacher just like me. The desinence n attached to the root form. Ring, he goes, he's gone. Ning, he says, he's said. Kan, there is, there's been. So we need he is or has been, right? Okay, for this we have modal verb me, is. Kaya chaupi chakranta ring, he goes to his farm on Monday. Hamoshan in Espanol, he says that he's coming over. Achkat antam kan, there is a lot of bread. And antawixam, he is fond of eating bread. Then anta is bread, wixa is stomach, and antawixa is someone who likes to eat bread, and is verb to be for a third person in this case. Because kan means there is or there are. Then is third person singular verb to be, if you will. Desinence iku for first person plural, exclusive. Us, we, not you, without you. Riku, we go, we've gone. Niku, we say, we've said. Kaiku, we are, we've been. Kiristo wasita riku, we go to church. Shotekita niku, we've said your name. Maseki kona kaiku, we are your friends. We're your mates. We don't really need kona because kaiku is already plural, a verb in the plural form. Maseki kaiku. It's already a complete sentence in plural. Desinence inches for first person plural inclusive. This is with you, you too. Rinches, we go, we've gone. Ninches, we say, we've said. In canches, we are, we've been. Mijuna waseta rinches, we go to the restaurant. Mijuy wasepe cheita ninches, we say that in the dining room. Senche runakona canches, we are strong people. Again, we don't need kona because canches is already plural. Then, sincherona canches, we are strong people. Desinence nkiches, this is second person plural. You guys, you people. Rinkiches, you go, you've gone. Ninkiches, you say, you've said. Gankiches, you are, you've been. My man mi rinkiches. Where is it that you go, people? Imatan ninkiches. What is it that you have said, people? My mantata kankiches. So where are you from, people? Finally, desinence nko, third person plural. Rinko, they go, they've gone. Ninko, they say, they've said. Ganko, they are, they've been. Buenos Aires tarenko, they've gone to Buenos Aires. Tinkunancheskama nispaninko, they have said goodbye. Miskishonkom kanko, they are certainly very sweet. Chayache yachache, chayam yachay sonko masikona. Huk ponchay kama.